In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an invoice on Shopify. Whether you're a seasoned e-commerce veteran or just starting out, mastering the invoicing process is crucial for maintaining smooth transactions with your customers. Today, I'm going to guide you through this process step by step so you can confidently send invoices and keep your business running seamlessly. To get started first, head over to the Orders section in your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, you'll need to locate the Drafts tab. This is where you'll find all the orders that haven't been finalized or paid for yet. Navigating to this section is the foundation of the invoicing process, as it allows you to choose the orders that need attention. Now that you're in the Drafts section, take a moment to scan through your orders and select the one you want to send an invoice for. This may be an order from a recent sale or any previous transaction that needs invoicing. Selecting the order ensures that you're focusing on the right details and customer information. Once you've clicked on the specific order, you'll see a page that lays out the order's details. Here, look for the option labeled Send Invoice. Clicking on it will initiate the invoicing process. Sending invoices through Shopify is not just a formality, but a professional courtesy that assures your customers that you're managing their transactions with care and precision. Now let's move on to the final and perhaps most crucial part, entering the required details. First, you'll need to input the customer's email address. This is where the invoice will be sent, so double-check to ensure there are no errors. Next, craft a subject line that clearly defines the purpose of the email. Something straightforward like, "Invoice for your recent purchase" usually works best. It helps set the right context before the customer even opens the email. Below the subject line, there's a space for a personalized message. It's a good practice to include a friendly note, thanking the customer for their purchase or offering assistance if they have any questions. This not only personalizes the transaction, but also builds rapport with your clients, encouraging them to return in the future. Once you've filled in all necessary information, take a moment to hit Review Invoice. This step is crucial, as it gives you a final opportunity to ensure that everything, from item descriptions and pricing to payment terms, is accurate. A thorough review can prevent errors that might lead to customer confusion or disputes later on. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to send invoices on Shopify with confidence, providing your customers a clear and professional billing experience. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in streamlining your business operations on Shopify.